2019. This is Mark. Guys, this is, hold on, wait a minute, guys. Oh, we're rolling! Guys, oh my God, we're still, oh my God, I didn't think we were rolling. I was reciting all this stuff. Just kidding, I'm messing with you. Guys, but honestly, do you know how many retakes we do? Carter, probably hundreds by the hundreds, and then editing and all this stuff. It's a pain in the nut sack for you guys, but it's worth it. Guys, what's up? It's Mark. Check this out. Behind me is a 2019 Toyota Taco. That's right, Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport 4x4. Awesome, awesome truck. Cool buddy of mine. Saw the YouTube channel, no BS. He bought the Outlaw. Abe, congratulations, buddy. I hope it treats you well. Oh, you guys know the Outlaw. That's right. You're subscribed to my channel. You're watching now. So with that said, my buddy bought the Outlaw. Cool buddy of mine now. We became friends. Long story short, awesome, awesome guy. One of the most kindest, coolest people I've ever met in my life. Saw the Outlaw on a YouTube channel, talked to me for a little bit, sold it, and he loves it. With that said, he traded this in. Guys, this is a 2019 Toyota Tacoma. Check it out. TRD Sport. The name of the paint, that's right, you're asking the name of the paint. It's called Quicksand. Awesome color. And look what he got too. AJT design, a key fob that's waterproof, crush proof, all that proof. Ain't that some proof? It anchors down with these Allen key bolts right here, and it matches the exact same color as the truck. Push button start truck. I can't really explain much more about it. It's fun to drive. The stereo system, the huge faceplate, it's like almost like half the size of quarter of the size of a Tesla. I'll show you in a second. Come check it out. Turn sill is incorporated into the mirrors. Carter, come on this side. I'll open the door. I'll show you guys. Come on in, check it out. So, what I was gonna tell you guys is this. The Bluetooth is probably gonna kick on. You get the whole glimpse of me on the side and everything. You can step out. If you wanna take a seat, if you're like tired or something, take a seat. I'll give you a back row. Just kidding. Guys, this is a cool truck. If you haven't discovered one, find one. Because right here, you can charge your phone right here. It's got the faceplate phone thing. You just push the button right here and you lay your phone down and it magically charges your phone. Right here, all this is touchscreen to the fullest right here. You got home, you got apps, it's got Bluetooth, it's got, I mean, I'll just show you just a quick demo of everything it has. Widgets, it's got, I mean, anything you want, it's got a whole bunch of stuff. Backup camera's amazing. Like it's like the Apple Play. You guys ever seen the Apple Play system you can buy? Very similar to that. It's super accurate and it's really cool. Push button start, USB cables, plugs right here, full wheel drive. Everything is super clean. And it's just an awesome truck. It really is. It truly is an amazing truck. It's compact, versatile. The mats comes factory out of the box with these nice, rugged, weather resistant floor mats. You can easily unclip and take out. What else? It's got all the original manuals in here. It's brand new. What more can I tell you about it? But it's a nice truck, and I hope you guys like it. 36,916 miles in this sucker. Super nice. He took really good care of it. Let's go under the hood. Guys, check it out. Under the hood is a twin blown 502 big block motors. No, I'm kidding, with something out drives. Guys, this is a V6 engine right here, and it's reliable as you can put to the test. That's all I gotta say about the Toyotas, okay? So, that's it. And yeah, this is Mark signing out. Hope you guys like the video. If you want another video of this, just say, Mark, do another video that's Sandstone or Quicksand Toyota, and I'll do a video for you guys and put it up here. You probably want me to lift it, put wheels and tires on it, but throw me some money, about 3 or 4 or 5 grand maybe, and I'll deck this sucker out and then do a cool video for you. This is Mark signing out. See you guys later. Hope you guys do well. Peace out. Bye. Let's get out of here.
I never hit the play button. Dude, I forgot.
Dude, are you serious?
Dude, I'm serious.
Dude, I'm
sorry.
gonna punch you, dude. Let me see. Are you joking?